who naturally has thin eyebrows or are experiencing slow or stunned growth and wondering how to grow thicker eyebrows naturally, then you have come to the right place. Below we have curated a list of natural ways to improve eyebrow hair growth using natural home remedies that will transform your eyebrows in a matter of months. These natural home remedies are completely safe, and the best part is that they are also quite quick in showing results. Number 1, castor oil. This is perhaps a very common yet effective way to grow your eyebrows naturally. Castor oil contains about 90% of growth nutrients, and that is what helps promote hair growth. But castor oil may sometimes cause an allergic reactions, and therefore it would be wiser to patch test it before applying it to your eyebrows. How to use castor oil for your eyebrows? Step 1, take a few steps of castor oil into your palm and rub it in between in your fingers to warm it up. Step 2, apply this oil onto your eyebrows and massage it in for a few minutes. Step 3, leave it on for 30 minutes and then wipe it clean using a makeup remover before washing it off with water. Number 2, coconut oil. Another ingredient that definitely top the list of how to get thicker eyebrows has to be coconut oil. This oil is brimming with essential nutrients, vitamins and fatty acids, all of which stimulate dormant hair follicles and promote faster hair growth. Regularly massaging the area around your eyebrows with coconut oil will moisture and hydrate the area and prevent further damage to the delicate brow hair. How to use coconut oil for eyebrow? Step 1, dip a cotton swab in pure organic coconut oil and apply it all over your eyebrows and in the surrounding area. Step 2, massage it onto your eyebrows and leave it on overnight. Step 3, in the morning, wash it off with cold water and a really gentle soap. Number 3, olive oil. Olive oil is another great way to grow eyebrows naturally. The moisturizing and nourishing properties of olive oil conditioning the brows and keep the hair from falling. This prevents unnecessary breakage and ensures that your eyebrows look thick and stunning. The large quantities of vitamin A present also help in keeping the eyebrow hair black, which again aids in ensuring your eyebrows appear thicker than usually. How to use olive oil for eyebrows? Step 1, each night before going to bed, clean your face thoroughly. Step 2, next take a drop of olive oil onto your fingers and massage it into your eyebrows and the surrounding area for 5 minutes. Step 3, leave it on overnight and cleanse the next morning. Number 4, onion juice. Sounds a little gross, right? But just like how onion juice is an amazing remedy to stop hair loss, promote hair growth, and in general keep your hair long and strong, this natural smelly potion is great remedy to grow hair, eyebrows hair as well. Onion juice is a rich source of sulfur, selenium, minerals, vitamin B and C, all of which work really well to enhance brow hair growth. Because of low levels of collagen, our eyebrow hair tends to fall out, but the sulfur in onion juice helps to rebuild collagen and strengthen the follicles to help your eyebrows grow thicker and darker. Now, how to use onion juice for eyebrows? Step 1, chop an onion and blend the pieces in a blender. Step 2, use a thin muslin cloth or a tea strainer to separate the pulp and juice. Step 3, now dip a clean cotton swab in this onion juice and apply it on your brows. Step 4, leave it on for about an hour and wash it off using soap and water. So these are the amazing home remedies to thicken your eyebrows and making it black and beautiful, that you can look more beautiful with this. So if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share. Also, please do comment after using these home remedies. We are eagerly waiting for your response.